Hello, guys. Sheba's a little testy because she's sharing the desk with another one of my cats. She doesn't like to share, but he was here first. Now, I saw somebody in the Facebook group saying that Sheba's just like always hungry. That's true. But she's always bitchy also. She just likes to complain and voice her opinion. Look at that baby. Okay, so I have a package here. I don't know what it is, but I think that it might be a coin from AliExpress. They forgot to ship me one of them, and I think it is. I know it's from China, because like I said, they repackaged this stuff, and it says it's from Jamaica, New York, but it's not. It's definitely from China. So, should we check to see what it is? I got a haircut. I have to put some product in there. Sheba never has to put product anywhere. Okay, so if it is what I'm thinking, then it might just be a PEI coin, like a orange PEI coin. I was meaning for it to be in the budget review, video, but I guess it wasn't available or some bullshit. I don't even know. It was like only 10 bucks, and I forgot about it, and they were like, no, you still need to send it. So I was like, cool. What is this? Oh no. I know what this is. I think that this is an NJT coin. He came out with this aged copper looking one, and it was really cheap, like $90. Now, I know a bunch of you make fun of me in the comments because I was like really cheap, $90. But keep in mind that I'm constantly buying and selling, and I consider like $200 really expensive for a copper fidget. Copper's expensive. All right. So this usually looks like what his comes in. Sheba? She's so attentive. She's so attentive. I feel like I can't do videos without her anymore. Like, I wanted to do videos early this morning, but I didn't have her. So I was like, I just can't. What am I gonna do? Just like stare at the camera? I need to be petting a kitty. She's the star of the show. Oh fuck, this is not what I thought it was, is it? Let's see. I think this is the PEI coin. Yeah, it is. I was right in the first. This is what threw me off, this little manila thingy. She's got to inspect it. It smells like China. So it comes with an extra thrust bearing and some extra magnets. I wonder if these magnets are stronger or less strong. Oh, Sheba. It's so funny that she's always so interested in the fidgets. I really think she thinks they're treats. But my wife checked the mail the other day, and like she's like, oh, it's nothing but a bunch of fidgets. I was like, score. But I wait for you guys to open them. See, she needs like a little fidget cat crown. She's purring. So I wonder if this feels the same as the clear one from them, but this also kind of feels like that green one that I got from Marcelinda. So let's see. Yeah, it's not as good as the clear one. I guess the acrylic ones are better. It's just not as smooth or nice. Yeah, so I would recommend the acrylic ones, not the PEIs. Oh, Sheba. All right, well, I guess that's it. I don't want to string 2 videos together, but I have a bunch of packages here to open up. So I guess let me stop it and start it. Even though, what is this, $10 toy? It's kind of a waste of a video. But I talked about Sheba quite a lot. Okay. Bye, guys.